Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventure with the BG. Today I'm doing a quick look at the Sea to Summit Frontier Collapsible Pour Over. So if you love caffeine or coffee, this could be something great if you're looking for a lightweight way to have a good cup of coffee. So about this, it's only 2 ounces. It is like a cone design, and it'll hold about 30 grams of coffee, so enough for 1 cup. So let's get it open. And I do have a cup here so we can kind of look and see what it actually looks like once you put it on. A little bit about it. It is a food grade silicone, and it is BPA free. So if you're looking for that, this product has it. So open it up. Here is the cone itself. This is the holder, as you saw. It goes in like this. It's also what you do to make the base. So looking in there, pretty fine. We'll let all your coffee and oils go through. Then it sets like that. So setting it on your cup, you put your coffee grounds in there, 30 grams. There is the max fill line you can see. So you got that max fill line, put water in it, pour over, and then that's it. If you want sugar, cream, anything like that, you just add it. So very simple product, no moving parts. So unless you break this completely, it's always going to work. There's nothing that's going to jam up. So I'm looking forward to trying this on my next backpacking trip. It's going to be a lightweight option that folds pretty flat, not going to take up a lot of space. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.